Project management entails a wide range of tasks and activities. It is so complex that it is difficult to explain in a few words. In this video, we'll go over a beginner's guide to project management, and explore the project management process. First, what is project management? Project management is the application of processes, expertise, and tools in order to meet project goals and requirements within a specific timeframe. Project management relies closely on the efforts and work of dedicated project managers. The responsibilities of project managers are to organize projects, coordinate work and track progress. Second, benefits of project management. Organizations that apply project management principles quickly discover that it brings many benefits. 1. Boosted efficiency. To keep tasks and projects on track, project managers use industry-proven methodologies to plan, execute, and monitor them. 2. Higher accountability. A well-managed project will have a clearly defined scope of work as well as roles that are clearly defined. 3. Cutting costs. Experienced project managers recognize when projects are at risk of scope creep and can stop it in its tracks. Third, the project management process. Regardless of the type of project, project management is a set of processes that remain consistent. Starting with a solid and proven framework, such as the one below, increases the likelihood of a successful project. 1. Initiation, research and discovery. Before a project begins, it's essential to research to determine whether to proceed. 2. Planning. Once the project's scope and objectives are determined, planning can get underway. 3. Execution. The execution stage is where the project gets put into motion, and where most of the project manager's time is focused. 4. Monitoring and adjustment. Once a project is underway, the project manager also needs to ensure everything is on track. 5. Completion. The final stage of the project management process is its completion. Starting with task or project management isn't always easy. This video aims to get you started straight out the gate with the knowledge you need for basic project management. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.